everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. So I just woke up. I'm here without nothing in my face. I didn't my hair today, and today I'm gonna do a back to school video for you guys. So I'm gonna do my makeup that I do every day in 5 minutes. So I'm gonna set the time and we're gonna do this. Let's see what's happened, because it's the first time that I do my makeup like this with the timer, and it gives me a lot of anxiety and oh my god, I don't know what will happen. So let's try and see how it goes. Now I'm gonna set my timer. So I'm gonna just put my timer here, and if you hear some noise in the background, please don't worry. So now I'm gonna just start. It's there. So now I'm gonna apply my BB cream because it's all in one. I'm gonna use this one. And I'm gonna apply with my damp beauty blender all over my face. Oh my god! I like to use BB creams because it is a moisturizer already, so it's easier. Bring to your neck. Okay, so now I'm gonna apply my concealer. This is my favorite, by Maybelline. Oh my god, guys! I have to run. Okay, so now I'm gonna just set my face with my translucent powder, so I avoid any mistake in coloration and those things. Oh my god. Alright, blush. I love blush. So I'm gonna use California Dream by Benefit Cosmetics. By the way, I'm gonna list all the products that I'm using here in the description box. And this is the makeup look that I do always when I have to go out in a rush, because I really love natural makeup looks. Okay, so now I don't know if I need bronzer. I'm gonna apply just a little bit. Now I'm gonna apply my brows. So I'm gonna use my, oh my god, yes, I opened this. I'm gonna use this Duo by Sigma, and I'm gonna use the lighter shade. I have no idea how much time I have yet, but definitely if you have some time extra, you can brush your hair at least when you have only 5 minutes to get ready. Okay, so I'm gonna brush my brows a little bit, and I just have to apply mascara and my lipstick. Oh my god. So I'm gonna use this lip base by Sigma. I love natural lip colors. And now a little bit of mascara. Okay, so now I'm gonna just fast than ever brush this little thing right here. Not a good time. Okay. Yay! It's alright. So I think I finished my makeup. It's good. Okay, so I'm ready. So now I'm gonna apply just a little more of my lip base because I think I should do this right. And I'm ready. Look at this. Okay, basically nothing here. Alright, so now let's see what's happening to my face. And if you have some extra 5 minutes, please brush your hair and do your hair so you can go beautiful in 5 minutes of makeup and 5 minutes of hair done. Okay, I'm back and now I'm ready. Look at this. This is the final result of my makeup. It's very simple because I did all this in 5 minutes, but I really like the result. This is what I use most of the times because I love everything neutral, and I like to use BB cream in daytime because it has moisturizer, primer, SPF and all that stuff in one little thing, so I don't have to keep mixing or layering product in my face, and this is easier. So this is the primer that I'm trying right now and I really like the result. Let's see how it goes in my skin. And if I don't have a BB cream, I just grab a little bit of my favorite foundation and mix with a little bit of my moisturizer and also with my SPF. So that's it for this look. I really hope that you enjoy. I used the other 5 minutes to do my hair. That's it for this look. I really hope that you like it. Thank you so much for watching and I see you later in the next tutorials. Also give me your suggestions here in the comments below for the next videos that you want to see here in my channel. Subscribe, like this video if you did, and also hit the notification bell. This is really important so you get all the news when I upload it. Thanks so much for watching and I see you later in the next tutorials. Bye!